अब लिंक सेंड करना।
Studio. Hello everyone. Let's see how many people are watching us. We have a good quorum here. Let's talk about the projects that you have worked on nowadays.
लाइव स्ट्रीम इज नॉट अवेलेबल। अच्छा 2 मिनट बाद स्टार्ट होगी। आपने वो किया है ना?
Oh no.
कर दिया था।
I am live myself. मैं live हूँ।
फिर इंग्लिश होगी।
Hi, I am live. Please join.
शेड्यूल पे है अभी।
We will
1 मिनट बाद स्टार्ट होगी।
we will talk and test our project. Project Sandur.
लाइव स्ट्रीम इज नॉट अवेलेबल। नहीं आ रहे भाई।
टॉप फैंस कौन कौन अभी? 1 मिनट रह गया अभी। हो गया 3:10 हो गया। नाउ यू कैन ट्राई।
तो मेरी तरफ भी वो दोबारा रिफ्रेश किया मैंने, नहीं हो रहा। वेट दोबारा 11 पे ओपन करता हूँ।
हाँ यस।
नहीं हो रहा अभी भी।
अच्छा ये मैंने क्या किया अभी? caresync.ai sharing to studio. Share this tab and start. Okay, yeah, now we have that video. We can move this.
मेरी तरफ नहीं शुरू हो रहा भाई। लिंक दोबारा शेयर करना। यहाँ ये वाला लिंक नहीं है, शेयर पे जाके लिंक सेंड करो। ये लाइव के साथ जो शेयर बटन आ रहा है।
शेयर ये सेम लिंक है। हाँ डिफरेंट है सही कह रहा। गलती होगी, गलती फ्रॉम मी।
वो यूआरएल था। हाँ ये अब आया है, वो स्टूडियो का आप भेज रहे थे। अब आया, हाँ हो गया।
Okay.
हो गया।
So how do I know how many people have joined? Oh, one person
ऊपर
has
लिखा आ रहा होगा लाइव।
क्या?
ऊपर
1%.
अच्छा एक सेकंड मैं चेक करता हूँ।
और मेरे लैपटॉप को कुछ हो गया।
आ रहा है मैसेज वगैरह।
Be the first in leaderboard by showing support.
आपका डिले है उसमें भी 2 या 3 सेकंड का।
अच्छा आई थिंक सो हम जूम पे भी शेयर कर रहे हैं और लाइव भी है, तो समथिंग इज कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग। 1 मिनट में ना जूम को एंड करता हूँ, ठीक है? जूम को मैं बंद करता हूँ, ठीक है? मुझे बताना कि वहाँ पे
जूम पे एंड करो।
Okay, we are live here. Stop sharing. Live studio. So what we are working on today is our project where we are displaying front desk help employee, what you could name it. We call it Casey. And Casey is online. It can make a big difference to healthcare industry. It can take all the burden that the front desk is taking right now. All manual work will be gone. So let me introduce, meet Casey. Casey is efficient enough to handle the calls. and its response time is even less than 2%, 2 seconds, and it take all the calls efficiently. It's available 24/7, and it managed to have 20 um, parallel calls at a time, which is way much way better than anything any industry needs. So usually we have 2 or 3 calls at a time, but she can handle more than 20 calls at a time. So um, the front desk need it. They need someone who can help them, who can book automatically, who can land into the EMR system. So right there we have the solution. So let me join back to see what my uh, commentator is saying. How many people have joined here? I don't see Bilal. There are no chats. Where are my chats? I don't see any chat yet. Hi Bilal, I see your message now. It's live. Thanks for joining. If you have any question, if you have any concern, please let me know. I need your support, Bilal. Without you, we cannot go anything. We cannot do. We cannot work. We cannot take any steps. So we have to be very vigilant there. So this is a good live session. Let's go back and okay, I can show you how it works. So let's talk about what industries we cover. We cover mainly the primary cares, urgent cares, dental offices, chiropractors, and you name all the systems that are. We have Epic, eClinical Works, Next Health, Dentrix, Open Dental. All of these platforms we can integrate it in a week or two. Depends on the permissions that and API access that the platform will provide us. That depends on the communication from the clients to their platform industry. If they can provide access as soon as possible, we'll start working on it and we can establish it right there. My platform's integration takes 2 to 3 weeks. If we have a very simple automation that begins with the patient verification. As soon as the patient calls, Casey will greet the patient. Casey will ask, what is the need? What is the intent of the call? If it is about the booking, then patient information is collected: name, date of birth, email, phone number. Those are efficiently collected, and Casey will search the patient, will burn that information into the EHR system. It will validate the patient that it is uh, a valid patient through EMR database. Then once the patient is found, it it presents the slots, what when they want to come for a visit. Casey will present 2 to 3 dates. the the caller will accept it. They will go for the booking, and uh, the slot will be booked and SMS will be sent, and all of these are locked. If you want to hear how it will sound, this is a dummy.
Hi, I need to book an appointment for next week.
Of course. Are you a new or existing patient?
I'm an existing patient. My name is James Torres.
Got it, James. What type of visit are you looking for today?
Just a follow-up for my blood pressure medication.
Perfect. I have Thursday, March 20th at 2:30 p.m. available with Dr. Johnson. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. I've booked that for you. You'll receive a confirmation text shortly.
Usually, the facilities have their own SMS and fax system. If they want, they can use our SMS systems for any follow up or notification. The patient will get notified right there and then. Let's move on to the next part. Yes, the most important thing, we are HIPAA compliant. The patient information is secure. Whatever information is collected is locally sitting into the client's system. It's not going to any third party. That is a HIPAA aware network. We have multiple. We have a dashboard that will be provided to the client. It will look like um, uh, one of the dashboard. Let me share my dashboard, how it will look like. For example, I have a dashboard and I want to share, stop sharing this and then share a window actually. Yeah. Why there are so many windows here? I want to see just one window. That's so ridiculous. If I will go back to what I have shared, oh, my bad. I was at the wrong window. Now I'm at the right window. Let's see how many people are there. My participants, where are you? It's only one person sitting there. Oh my God. Live chat. Okay, Bilal bhai, thank you. Thanks once again. So this is the dashboard. Um, we can see how many calls we have received so far, and oh, this looks kind of real to me. We have 7% positive and 80% neutral. Everybody is going to transfer the call. That's a real data. We cannot actually display it. So that's a dashboard. It will look like this. You will get the gist, how many bookings are made, what's the success rate, how many minutes we have consumed. We are logging everything. We can chat with the agent, that you can ask which caller had a trouble connecting to the front desk, or which caller had a specific issue. We can search for that also. So this is a pretty much good um, AI assistant that can look into the call logs and provide the more details. Let's get back to uh, the HIPAA compliant. We have a HIPAA compliant system. It means all personal information will be either masked, or phone numbers, email, name of the patient, date of birth, all of these informations, even it's in the voice or in the log, all will be masked. Nobody will be able to see or crack it, because we are taking the transcript, encrypted as it is coming from the backend system, which is already masking it to us, and we are forwarding it to the local system. Now we have a role-based access. Definitely, we just have only few users who can access the dashboard, and mostly these are the clients. We have a audit available anytime. If patients want to talk to the front desk, they will be seamlessly transferred, and Casey will help them forward the call. Data minimization. We collect only what is required. We don't need everything from the patient. We need something that we can collect. We can fetch the patient. We want to validate that it's actual patient, not a dummy patient. Dummy information for impersonalization. Encrypting. We have an encrypted channel. The channel is encrypted end to end. So that's our privacy. So I'm going to kill this right now. Let's get back. We will. I think so. We have to prepare a lot further in a way that we can display and demo it into the live network. So what I can display right now, I can go to my agent. My agent is sitting here. I can talk to. I can ask the patient that I can chat it. Let me remove myself out of the way because I'm hiding the chat here. How do we do that? Use default overlay. Choose from your the default count of the duration. Save. Close. Bilal, get back to Zoom. Can you tell me the main difference between the CareSync and the WAPI platform? WAPI is a platform that generates that where the agents are built, but WAPI doesn't create customized solutions. We have to provide the prompts. We have to write all the functions and tools. For example, how to search the patient, what patient need, how to add a patient, update it, create insurance, update insurance. We take medications of the patients. All of these are different functions that an agent will call during according to the intent of the patient. For example, the patient wants to know when is my next appointment. It means it's asking about, we have to know all the information about the appointment history of that patient. That has to be fetched first. So WAPI is a platform, but it does not have a built-in tool or agent. We are creating a prompt. We are creating all the tools on top of either WAPI, Retail, or similar solutions. So WAPI doesn't create healthcare systems. We create the system. We create the systems on top of WAPI. Okay. Do you have any further question, or we can move further? So, like this is Retail. Retail is another competitor to WAPI. We chose Retail instead of WAPI because of functionalities, because of HIPAA issues. WAPI is like $2,000 just for HIPAA compliant. This platform is HIPAA compliant at no further cost to me. I'm just having 24 cents per minute with all these background speech, knowledge, and LLM cost to me. So it's coming up 24 cents per minute. That's the cost I'm bearing for this particular agent at the moment. And actually, this whole thing should be masked and it should not be public. I will look to see how we can hide this information. But what I wanted to show you is I am on the way. There's a chat window that I will be. For example, I'm saying I need help. When is my next appointment? When is my next appointment? So now Casey, the agent is asking, have you been seen by the Coastal Care? I would say yes. And Casey will ask about my name. I am, let's say, Tamer. And Casey is asking about the last name. Bilal, yaar, ye check karna how to remove myself out of the way. I want to move it left or right. How to do it? Bookmark it. Create highlight videos. Okay, we can create that. Settings. Mesh. That's only really what is mesh? Bilal, what you are saying at mesh? Manage. All of these things are graded to me. I cannot touch anything. I can just end the stream or share it or have a highlight videos on top of it. Mesh. Basically, I want to remove myself. Let me just kill the sharing and edit, customization, subscribe. We have to spend some time to learn the YouTube Studio also, and TikTok and Insta, a couple of those things. And my background, as you can see, let me have a background for myself. Overlay, choose a video for the overlay. No, this is not required. I cannot have, you don't have access to these features. Oh, I don't have access to all of these features yet. That's why I'm not able to make moderation activity is on. And then participants, I see Bilal and myself as participant. Community moderation. Okay, let's get back to Zoom. Let me kill my end stream. Thank you very much for joining. We will continue in our next session. So tune it.